So guys, this is my real voice and we're gonna draw in my sketchpad. This is brand new. So what should we do? Okay, let's just draw the animation. First we need to sketch. Okay, I hope this will be an like a bait. Just what one. I did erase it. I need to erase it. Okay, I'm done with this. From the family. Okay, let's just do like this.
Oh. Ito na nga. Oh. Ito daddy na. Madami kayo daddy na.
Wait. Okay, continue.
Ba't kasi nag-e-egg ka eh?
Oh my god, I should be so there. There for the sounds ready. Gonna get the result in part 2. This is part 1.
Kevin na lang na electric pa.
Wait.
Ito.
Okay. Only one. There's only no time. It's a heavy. Bye bye.